Hi. This is your last lesson in Tier 1 Class 2. Can you believe it? Wow. It is lesson number 17, describing things. Ready? We have hard, hard, and soft, soft, wet, wet, and dry. Whoop, dry, dry. Like this, just like this. Dry, dry. We have short, short, short. And tall, 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 tall. Short, tall. Like that. And long, long, long. I'm still brushing here. Short, long, short, long. Good. And we have the name for a shape, shape, shape. Wiggle them as you go down and out like a triangle. Shape, shape. Yes, good. A round, round, round. Not the circle. Just round. I mean, almost. It's just round, 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 like that. This is a square. Don't mind the fact that it's really a rectangle because that's a bonus word on purpose. This is a rectangle, 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 square. Okay? And then we have loud, 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 and dark, 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 and dark, and bright, 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 and clean, clean, nice and clean. Yes, clean. Cheery, cheery, like cheer, 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 cheers, cheer, cheery, whoop, cheery, like that. Cheery, cheery. Okay, good. Ready for a sentence. Here we go. Okay, tell me in comments and see you in lesson number 18, the final review. Bye-bye.